In this video, I'm going to show you an easy strategy that you can use in order to boost your profits when you send books to Amazon. So it's very important to price your books, especially your faster moving books, at higher prices, because you can. If you can price your book at a higher price and still get the sale, you should absolutely do that. And I'm going to show you some cases where this is 100% the case on what you should do. So first, let's look at this book right here, the blue book. You can see the prime offer is going for $43 right here. And you can check the prime offers by clicking on more offers here. So the lowest offer is $29. This person's shipping it merchant fulfilled, which means they're not using FBA. Most Amazon sellers that follow my YouTube channel sell FBA. So as FBA sellers, we should only care about FBA competition, which is prime competition. So if I filter this by prime, you can see our prime competition is $46 right here. And so this is who we're competing against. So we should price this book at $46 in order to get the most profit possible. It's currently buy boxing for $43. So let's look at another example. Okay, now back at this example, they're not even getting the prime check. So you could even price a little bit higher. This is probably an inbound item and that hasn't been received by Amazon yet. That's why it doesn't have the prime check here. But if you look here, it does have the prime check, which means this is checked into Amazon and the person's going to get 2-3 day shipping. So this book, if we look here, lowest offers 40, 40, 40, 40, 40s. Here's the first prime offer. We got Jensen Books, merchant fulfilling it. Okay, so what we're going to do is just filter by prime offers. And you can see $54 is the second lowest FBA offer. So you should probably price here. The reason why is this person is going to sell out. And when they sell out, the lowest prime price is going to be 54. So you can make an extra $14 in this book. This book has a decent sales rank. So if we look up sales rank, should appear somewhere on this page. Here we go. It's got 111,000 sales rank. Pretty fast moving book. I mean, this book you can see has sales all the time. Let's move on to one more. Okay, so this has a $42 buy box, $13 low price. So just by selling it prime, you're making extra $42. And let's do this again where we filter by prime. There's a $35 prime offer, which is interesting how they're not buy boxing. They're a new seller, only 2 ratings. That's probably why they're not buy boxing. And then a $40 seller, also pretty new. And then a $43 seller. This is the guy buy boxing, I think, one of these people. And so, actually, no, there's Crack Dogs distribution. And again, this one doesn't have. So if you sell this, I don't know why this guy's buy boxing over everyone else, but bottom line, you want to compete against prime competition. The lowest prime is 35, but they're not getting the buy box. In this case, I would just match the buy box price. But you can make a lot of money by pricing above the buy box and waiting for that low FBA seller to sell out. So real quick, for all my GoToLister users out there, if you're not using GoToLister, it's my software. You can go to GoToLister.com and get a free trial. It's the fastest listing software on the planet. It helps you optimize your listing and workflow and really save time. But we also help you price books. And as you can see, we automatically price your faster moving books at higher prices. And we tell you, this is a new update, we tell you which offer we're comparing to. So smart pricing is what it's called. And the way smart pricing works is based on the sales rank range, we price your faster moving books at higher prices. So if your book's a fast seller, we're going to price against FBA slot 4 rather than just settling for less money by pricing directly against the buy box. And then as you can see, as the sales rank goes up, we start comparing against FBA offer 3, 2, and then eventually, like if it's over 900,000, we just match FBA 1 or the buy box. So within the batch, before you submit your shipment, you'll be able to see how much profit you have and what you paid for the products. But I recommend going through, and anytime you see FBA 3, that means we were able to see in Amazon's API the third FBA offer, and we compared it against that price. So the sales rank's pretty good on this book, 146,000. So we went ahead and priced it at $41. And if you hover over here, you can see all the prices. And this is what is this? $6 higher than the lowest price. And this is also the buy box price, so this is a good price. But if you wanted to be, like if you really thought that all the other FBA sellers were going to sell out, you could simply click here. And this is only displaying the FBA offers, and we could price it at 49. Here's another example. This is really good news when you see FBA slot 4, because that means the 4th FBA offer was available in Amazon's API. Amazon will hide FBA offers if there's a lot of offers. They only show sellers the lowest 20. Ultimately, they want to keep customers happy with low prices, and so they give us sellers the shaft, and we end up having to price our items too low, which is why I created GoToLister, and I allow you guys to see when there's no FBA offers. So if there's a book with no FBA offers, this whole thing's going to turn purple, and we encourage you to go look at the keeper graph and price it yourself. But when Amazon does give us the data, we do price your faster moving items. And this is an example where we made an extra $14 compared to the buy box price right here. That icon indicates the buy box. We were able to price it at 54. This is the 4th lowest FBA offer. So boom, extra $14 profit on that book. And then this is FBA slot 2. So we made an extra $3 profit on this book, or we're going to if it sells at this price, which is a high chance it will, because once the seller sells out, the price is going to go up to 46. So that's an update to GoToLister. We just released this. We've had smart pricing for over a year now, but if you want to try it out, go to GoToLister.com and you'll be able to see the FBA offers. And it's really a cool way to quickly check your inventory and set the best price initially when you ship your books in. So much love and thanks for watching.